The next award is for promoting clinical research and application to practice. The first finalist in this category is Pendufferin Medical Group in Prestatyn for their work to improve detection of hearing difficulties in patients with type 2 diabetes. Hearing problems are not always recognised as an effect of type 2 diabetes, yet recent studies have shown that it affects between 44 and 69% of patients. With 1,400 diabetic patients on its register, the practice decided to introduce an assessment into annual review to identify hearing loss as soon as possible and provide appropriate help, such as hearing aids. Since December 2013, 595 patients have been checked and 194 reported hearing problems requiring further assessment and help. The service has been positively received by patients who have received help to improve their hearing, leading to a better quality of life. It has also helped to raise awareness amongst healthcare staff of the importance of including a hearing assessment in all patients with diabetes. The second finalist in this category is Aneurin Bevan University Health Board, Cardiff and Vale University Health Board and Velindre Trust for their work to develop a dedicated service for patients with cancer-associated thrombosis. Thrombosis affects up to 20% of cancer patients and is the commonest cause of chemotherapy-related mortality. The treatment differs from those without cancer and requires a daily injection of heparin and specialist supervision. Following an audit by staff, the three organisations worked together to develop a dedicated service that would improve care for patients. It aims to achieve a 70% referral of patients diagnosed with cancer-associated thrombosis, establish 2 weekly clinics, reduce inappropriate prescribing and waste of drugs, and produce useful patient information leaflets. Patients have responded positively to the service, which has gained international recognition and has also led to consistent practice and safer quality care. The third finalist is Hywel Dda University Health Board and Aberystwyth University for their work to evaluate a diabetes self-management programme. Learning how to manage type 2 diabetes in the early stages is vital for patients to delay disease progression. There was a need to encourage more patients to take part in self-management education programmes so that they could learn how to make these changes. The education programme for patients team worked with academics to get feedback from patients and tutors so they could improve the current system. The feedback showed that by increasing the number of programmes being delivered in different settings and by different types of tutors results in more choice for patients, and it is hoped that there will be an increase in the number of people completing a self-management programme. So we're now going to hear from Tony Calland, one of the judges, with his highlights of each finalist.
There are 2 issues which stood out. Firstly, there was the linkage between diabetes and deafness, both 2 major conditions. This piece of work, through analysis of practice records, drew a clear association between the 2. The small scale of this application, with no outside help, made it particularly notable for us as judges. What is important about this application is that it's been well known that patients with cancer can develop thrombosis, particularly deep vein thrombosis of the legs, and that may lead to fatal pulmonary embolus. The work that was done was of a very high quality, and the determination in driving through the practicality and getting this actually on the stocks so that it was there in the hospital for patients was most impressive. Diabetes is, as we know, a major and increasing problem in our community. And one of the most effective ways of dealing with this is using self-help programs. And what this application did was use a randomized controlled trial with university support to try and determine which of the several different programs would be the most effective for patients. and we were extremely impressed by the work done here.
And over to Andrew.
And the winner for this category is delivering a state-of-the-art cancer-associated thrombosis service in South East Wales, and our Bevan University Health Board, the Loughborough NHS Trust, and Cardiff and Vale.
Nobody just like this. I got to be me, or baby hit or miss. Then I look at you sitting there, you're all by yourself. You're listening to everybody saying be like everybody else. Oh, you see, you gotta believe. And there ain't nobody just like this. You gotta believe, a baby hit or miss.